Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will start simplifications. In simplifications, the BODMAS rule. Look at the numerical expression below. Can you find a way to solve it? 23 minus 10 plus divide 5 plus 2 multiply into 3 plus 6. Bracket closed. To simplify a numerical expression with two or more operations, there are mentioned multiplication, addition, multiply, minus. The BODMAS rule is followed. The letters of the word stand for the order of operations needed to be followed to complete the simplification process. Bracket, order, exponents, square, cube. Division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. There are three kinds of brackets that are removed in the order mentioned below. Order mentioned must follow the order. The curved round brackets or parentheses, it is called. If it is mentioned in a question, so first we solve the round bracket. Curly bracket or braces. After round bracket, we will solve the curly bracket. Box brackets or square brackets. After these two, round bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket we will solve. In square bracket, which values are mentioned? There is a fourth kind of bracket called the vincula or bar brackets. These are denoted by drawing a bar like this above the set of the numbers that have to be solved. Which set of the numbers is mentioned below it, we will solve first that set, then round bracket, curly bracket, square bracket values which are given in it. Rules for brackets. The order of preference is bar, round bracket, curly bracket and box bracket. For example, 13 minus box bracket, 17 minus curly bracket start, 5 plus 12 minus round bracket start, 40 divide 2 multiply 5, round bracket close, curly bracket close and square bracket close. Bar mentioned on it. So first we solve the bar. 2 5s are 10. Remaining all values are as it is we will mention. On the next step, all values are same. Just round bracket will solve. Before round bracket, minus is present and 40 divided by 10. It will become 4, then minus 4. Remaining all values are as it is. Then 13 minus 17 minus 5 plus 12. 17 minus 4 become 13. 17 minus 13, now square bracket we will solve, it's become 4. 13 minus 4 equal to the 9. If there are many terms inside a bracket, BODMAS is applied there. If there is a positive sign in the front of any pair of brackets, you can remove the brackets without changing the sign of the final integer inside them. For example, 6 plus into 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3 become 5, signs are not changed. 6 plus 5 become 11. If a negative sign is in front of any pair of brackets, you can remove the brackets by changing the sign of the final integer inside them. For example, 6 minus into 8 minus 3 is present and outside of the bracket there is mentioned minus, so 8 minus 3 become 5, positive 5, and positive and negative sign, minus plus become minus, 6 minus 5 equal to the 1. If there is no sign between an integer and a pair of brackets, you multiply the integer with the final integer inside the brackets. For example, 8 in a bracket 4 is mentioned, so multiplication 8 4s are 32. Exercise 5 here. Using BODMAS rule, find the values of a is 4 by 7 divided by 6 by 7 of 8 by 9 plus 1 by 4. This of mean multiplication. So in solution we change into a multiply. There is remaining all terms are same. 4 by 7 divided by 6 8 are 48, 7 9 is 63 plus 1 by 4 as it is. So in BODMAS rule, first we solve the multiplication, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. 4 by 7 multiplies 63 by 48. Division change into a multiply. So we do the cutting. 4 1s are and 4 12s are 48, 7 1s are and 7 9s are 63 plus 1 by 7 as it is. 9 1s are 9 and 1 12s are 12 plus 1 by 4. LCM is 12. So 12 1s are 12, 9 1s are 9, 4 3s are 12, then 3 will be multiplied with 1, 3 1s are 3. So it become 9 plus 3 become 12, 12 plus divided by 12, cutting we have done and the answer is 1. So the remaining parts of question number 1 by using the BODMAS rules. Thanks.